Bonjour, ni Anishinaabe Duke. Welcome to the BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO podcast. My name is Animush, and I'm happy to be here today. Neiman Wyndham, G-A-I-N. Well. What? Oh, for crying out loud. Matthew, what in the world? Looky. I just gotta say. Matthew, we're in the middle of something here. Who's this, Animush? Boss, this is my brother Matthew. Matthew, these are my friends, Nana Bonjour and Natasha. Oh, I know who yous are. I watch the show all the time. The show about Ojibwe language and culture. Oh, that's great. It's so nice to meet you, Matthew. Would you like to sit in on our show today? Really? You don't need to do that, boss. Nah, it'd be fine. Oh, yeah, I'd love to. All right then. Matthew, you want to check that mic? Check 1 2, check 1 2. Oh, this is exciting. Can I do the Ojibwe word of the day? Matthew, I don't think. Oh, come on, let me do it. Matthew, you don't even speak Ojibwe. Oh, come on. I've been learning. I've been watching this show. Just tell me what to say. All right then. Um, how about this? Nisea. Nisea. Oh, that's a good one. Let's do this. You don't even know what it means yet. Oh, right. What's it mean? Nisea is Ojibwe for my brother. Nisea, my brother. Got it. All right. Boss, can we pick it up from, why don't you introduce Matthew here? He'll do the Ojibwe word of the day. Then Matthew, are you listening? Huh? Oh yeah, I'm listening. Jeez. When you're done with the word, just send it back to Nana Bonjour by saying, back to you, Nana Bonjour. Back to you, Nana Bonjour. Got it. Whenever you're ready, boss. Bonjour, everybody. Welcome to the show. And I'd like to welcome Anamush's brother Matthew to the show today. Bonjour, Matthew. Bonjour, Nana Bonjour. Hey, that's the name of the show. I just got that. And he's going to do the Ojibwe word of the day. Take it away, Matthew. Bonjour, ladies and germs. Did you hear what I said? Matthew. Oh, sorry. I guess I'm a little nervous. Today's Ojibwe word of the day. Nisea, my brother. Anamush is Nisea, my brother. How do you say your brother? Well, that would be Gisea. Gisea, your brother. Nisea, my brother. Gisea, your brother. And this has been the BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO Ojibwe word of the day. I'm Matthew, and I will see you again. Gigawaba min minawa hoa. Back to you, Nana BOOZHOO. Oh, you did that just good. And there you have it, Nisea. Okay, anything else? What about the song for today? Oh yeah, the song is called Crashing Down.
Crashing down, crashing down,
magician's hat. Let me go!
Button your lip, punk, and start walking.
Where are you taking me? Who are you?
Avast there! The mighty hoodoo will deal with you, you spy!
Spy? I'm not a spy. I just wanted to look into the magician's hat.
Take him away!
Let's have a bite together.
No, stop. Let me go.
Get the move on. Let's go! Drag him! Come on, you!
Crashing down.
Open up! We've caught a spy!
I keep telling you I'm not a spy.
Shut up, spy! Open up!
Crashing down. Crashing down. Crashing down. Crashing down. Crashing down. Crashing down. Crashing
And you have been watching BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I will see you again. Giga Wabamin, Minawa Hoa.